Yo, what's good everybody, Joe's Cajun Reaper here. So, it is project time. I'm coming to do something that I've been needing to do for a long time. I keep misplacing my remotes for my TV and my surround sound. So, here's my surround sound remote, alright, and here's my TV remote. And to solve my issue, I got some Velcro here. And essentially what I'm going to do is put Velcro on the remotes and stick them to the side of this little organizer next to my desk that y'all have seen in some videos, and hope it works. Alright, I don't know where the scissors are that I used to cut cotton, so I'm just going to go ahead and use these bad mamma jammas, even though the ones I used to cut for cotton is actually really good for this type of stuff, but again, I can't find it. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't need to cut a whole hell of a lot. Probably, I'm gonna go ahead and measure it up like a fucking sensible person, alright? You come about right here, okay. Let's see. Alright, there we go. Alright. And, let's see. Alright, there's one. And then what I'm going to do. Okay, so this one's a little bit fucked up, so we're actually gonna, well, I can actually use that as a little bit of a template now. So, with that being said, alright, there we go. Let me go ahead and pull this little fucked up thing off, because I don't know what the hell happened there. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and take this and try and keep it as straight as possible. Not bad. Okay, that works. Now what I'm gonna do is find that other piece again. Alright, and then I'll just use this little janky piece as kind of like a template to properly cut to the length I need. Alright, grab this again. Okay. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Alright, there we go. Now I gotta get these apart. Now what I like to do is go ahead and get this lined up to the best of my ability, alright? Make sure they're hooked and looped, okay? And then, oh yeah, I think that's gonna work. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and, let's see, there we go. I might, while that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and cut another piece, and then what I'll probably actually end up doing, yeah, let's see, where's the scissors? Alright. Alright. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing. Alright. So with that being said, and if it tends to fail after a while, I got some 2-part epoxy downstairs. I can mix some of that up and make sure the bitch doesn't ever come off again. Okay? And then we'll just go ahead and cut. Let's see. Do I have this okay? And then go ahead and put this on here like so. I'll make sure everything is nice and pressed. It's the power of force. Alright. That should be good. Now what I'm going to do is take this piece, do the same thing, okay, and fill this up if I can. There we go. Getting some wires. Alright. I'm gonna line up the first one here. Let's see. There we go. So there's one remote. I'm not going to do this remote because this is for the Yamaha receiver, which I'm going to end up putting up. But the only remote I have left is this guy right here. My TV remote. And this should be interesting. So to make things a little bit easier, what I'm probably going to end up doing is putting it right here. Get like one long strip and go across that. So you know what I'm going to do? Go ahead and peel this sticker off since it's already coming off. And then see how long should it be. Alright. See, about right. Come up a little bit. About right there. Alright. And then because I hate having to try and find my remotes, and I'm sure a lot of you can sympathize with that or relate to that, because trying to find remotes is a pain in the ass, especially if all you want to do is just lay down. Alright. And then, let's see, go ahead and, oops. Go ahead and all right. Go ahead and peel this adhesive backing off. Okay. And it should be good. So, all right. Go. Okay. I like it. Now, like I said, I wasn't going to be able to get it. Actually, I might be able to cut a small piece. That's definitely not going to work. Let's take this up. Okay. And here's what I'll do. Just use this as kind of like more of a little guide type thing. I don't need that because I might actually cut this piece just a wee bit smaller. Let's see, okay. So what I'm going to do is get the other side right here, alright. And just trim this side. Alright. And then see if I have any overhang. Yes, I do. So, there we go. Now to figure out what side's which, see how I have this laid out? Okay, so all soft. So you know what I'm going to do? Just so I don't get shit mixed up, I'm going to take a soft one. Wherever I put it, that is not it. Let's see where I find it. I just had it. No. Oh yeah, here it is. Alright, so because all these are soft over here, for the last one, I'm actually going to put the soft on this side. That way I cannot get them mixed up. Not that it would matter, but it's just something I would like to do. Okay? Okay. Alright. No, that's not even straight. And then we'll go ahead and take this. Actually, you know what I'll do? Go ahead and put this back on so I don't wear that stickiness out. Alright. And that should end in a I have to use the force again. Just making sure that it's not going to pull anything off with it. And I'll take this. Put it up next to the TV remote, okay? And we're good. We can go ahead and take a picture to show you guys, and tell me what you guys think. And sorry for the pillow being in the way. Anyways, I'll see y'all later. Peace. Okay, here it is, the final product. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.